Okay, my name is Levi, and I am here with my friend Kale.
Hey.
And my friend Orlando.
What up?
And we're fixing to learn about the 6 top most venomous snakes in Mississippi. This is the eastern copperhead. It is one of the top 6 most venomous snakes in the world. This is the northern cottonmouth, another of one of the 6 top venomous snakes in Mississippi. This is the timberback rattlesnake. It is another, and this is probably going to be last time saying another 6 top venomous snakes in Mississippi. Anyways, this is the timberback rattlesnake.
She's not the judge.
This is the pygmy rattlesnake. This is the harlequin coral snake. This is the top venomous snake in the whole Mississippi. The tip for this is: red touches yellow, you're a dead fella. Red touches black, you're okay, Jack. This is the diamondback rattlesnake, another of one of the top poisonous snakes in Mississippi.
What sport is the snake's favorite?
Bum, bum, bum. Hello, this is Levi, and I'm the mastermind of this. So please subscribe down there, or up there. Either way, subscribe. Thank you.